Define single entry. According to Hogler, a system of bookkeeping in which as a rule only records of cash and personal accounts are maintained. It is always incomplete double entry, varying with the circumstances. Double entry system. The double entry system of accounting means that for every business transaction, amounts must be recorded in a minimum of 2 accounts. The double entry system also requires that for all transactions, the amounts entered as debits must be equal to the amounts entered as credits. What are the differences between single entry system and double entry system? Records transactions related to business only, whereas double entry system records all effects of transactions. In a single entry system is considered as incomplete system. Complete system of recording the transactions followed in double entry system. In a single entry system, how to find errors? Double entry system, easy to identify errors. Personal accounts and cash accounts are recorded in single entry system. All accounts are considered in double entry system. Single entry system is not accepted by Income Tax Department. Double entry system accepted by Income Tax Department. In a single entry system can easily record fraud transactions, whereas double entry system difficult to record fraud transactions. Takes lot of time in calculation profit or loss under single entry system, but double entry system easy to calculate profit or loss. Single entry system is suitable for small business only, whereas double entry system suitable to all types of business. Single entry system difficult to tell about financial position of the concern, whereas double entry system can easily tell about financial position of the concern. In a single entry system, reconciliation of accounts is not possible. Under double entry system, reconciliation of account is possible. Under single entry system, special knowledge is not required in maintaining books, but double entry system have special knowledge. Trial balance cannot be prepared under single entry system. Trial balance can be prepared under double entry system. Not suitable for tax purpose, whereas double entry system suitable for tax purpose. Single entry system difficult to prepare financial statement, whereas double entry system easy to prepare financial statements. Advantages of single entry system. It is simple method of recording our transactions. It is an easy way of maintaining the accounts. It is less expensive. Calculation of profit is much easier. It is suitable to small concerns. Disadvantages of single entry system. Single entry system is unscientific and defective. The chances for fraud and misappropriation are greater. Impersonal accounts relating to sales, purchases, expenses, and incomes are not available. Arithmetic accuracy of the ledger accounts cannot be checked. The trading and profit and loss account cannot be prepared a scientific manner. Statement of affairs. It is a type of balance sheet prepared under the single entry system. It is prepared to calculate the capital as on a particular date. Capital is the difference between the total assets and liabilities. Differences between balance sheet and statement of affairs. Balance sheet is prepared on the basis of books kept on double entry basis. Statement of affairs is prepared on the basis of books kept on single entry system. Balance sheet is based on the completely true and reliable data. Statement of affairs is based on the balances of accounts, calculations, valuations, information, and enquiry. Balance sheet purpose is to see the financial position. Statement of affairs purpose is to be find out the capital. Trial balance is prepared before preparing it. Trial balance is not prepared before finding out profit or loss. Capital is taken from the capital account in the ledger. Excess of assets over liabilities is treated as capital. Balance sheet can be presented in the court of law as evidence in case of disputes. Statement of affairs is not accepted as evidence in the court of law. Balance sheet is suitable for all types of business being a part of scientific system. Statement of is only maintained by the small or medium enterprises whom do not understand the importance of scientific system of accounting. Balance sheet is prepared after the preparation of profit and loss account. Statement of affairs is prepared before the preparation of statement of profit and loss. Disagreement of the balance sheet indicates some omission or commission which can be rectified. There is no question of agreement of the statement of affairs. The difference in amounts to capital. Hence, omissions and commissions cannot be rectified. The value of assets and liabilities shown in the balance sheet are those which are recorded in the ledger. The value of assets and liabilities shown in the statement of affairs are mere estimates. Balance sheet contains information about capital from accounting records. In statement of affairs, capital is taken as balancing figures being the difference between the total assets and liabilities. Balance sheet shows the true financial position of a concern on particular date, but Statement of affairs shows estimated financial position of a concern on a particular date. The tallying of balance sheet gives arithmetic accuracy of accounting books as it is prepared on the basis of trial balance. The statement of affairs does not provide the arithmetic accuracy of accounting books as it is not prepared on the basis of trial balance. Balance sheet is regarded as more reliable as it is based on double entry principles. Statement of affairs is regarded as less reliable as it is based on incomplete records and estimates. Footnotes are prepared at the end of the balance sheet. No footnotes are prepared at the end of statement of affairs.